In a world where communication bridges hearts and minds, silence should never be a barrier. Odisha is home to over 4.36 lakh individuals with hearing disabilities, nearly 19% of the state's disabled population. 75% live in rural areas where access to communication support is rarest. For these 225,000 men and 211,000 women, daily life is an invisible struggle: education denied, healthcare delayed, and voices silenced by society's barriers. Today, a quiet revolution is unfolding across Odisha. The Sanket Mo Bhasha initiative, born from the collaboration between the government of Odisha's SSCPD department, Odisha Rising Foundation, and Ijnisht, is breaking the chains of isolation for the hearing impairment community.
And we as an organization, Odisha Rising Foundation, thought of initiative a new projects for this DHH community so that we can continue to create a pool of interpreter so that they can be our medium to communicate to them, and they can be also one of the communicator from their end. That is how we started our project called Sanketo Mo Bhasha. The objective is to make sure that each and every individuals of Odisha should know sign language.
This isn't just a program, it's a movement transforming lives today while building an inclusive tomorrow. Look around you. The impact is already visible.
It's a great privilege to share the good news of conducting sign language training program in the state of Odisha with the collaboration of SSCPD department, government of Odisha, and ORF. In this program, we have two types of training. One is for 3 months sign language training, where we are training various teachers, parents, and students to be an interpreter in the state of Odisha. As of now, we have conducted in 27 places in the state of Odisha.
In just its initial phase, this transformative program has trained 2,324 parents and teachers across 27 schools, with an astounding 90% now confidently using basic Indian Sign Language to connect with high students. Imagine the doors this opens for education, for family bonds, for human connection. We've trained a pool of 60 interpreters, with 43 more currently in training, creating Odisha's first ever cadre of communication bridge builders. These interpreters aren't just learning a language, they're becoming lifelines, facilitating education in schools, healthcare in hospitals, justice in courtrooms, and even helping resolve grievances from district collector offices to the chief minister's office across the state. But we are just getting started. Most importantly, we are advocating to establish ISL as a fully recognized language in Odisha, pushing for policy reforms that will institutionalize accessibility for generations to come. This is the future we are building together. By 2036, we envision an Odisha where Indian Sign Language thrives at every level of society, from the smallest village Anganwadi to our largest universities, from community health centers to police stations. The Sanket Mo Bhasha movement isn't just changing individual lives, it's redefining what's possible for an entire community. It's proof that when we choose inclusion, we don't just remove barriers, we unlock human potential. Imagine an Odisha where every citizen knows Indian Sign Language, the once unreached language that connects us to our high brothers and sisters. This is the future we are crafting, where no conversation is left unfinished, no idea unshared, and no person left unheard.
मो संकेत मो भाषा प्रोग्राम रे ट्रेनर हिसाब रे कार्य करुची। मोर दायित्व हैला एठाकू आस्थवा 3 मासरे एडमिशन होथवा पिला माननकू ट्रेनिंग दबार साइन लैंग्वेज आज वेल आज जो लोक मैंने एठिकी डायरेक्टली आसी पारना बहुत डिस्टेंस रे रहउचंती किंतु से माने सिखिबा को चाहउचंती तो आमे प्रत्येक डिस्ट्रिक्ट रे जेते रूरल एरियाज हेथौ मध्य एनजीओज हे जाउ देन डेफ स्कूल्स स्पेशल स्कूल्स हेथौ सेठाउ जाय कि आमे 5 डेज रो ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम को मध्य आमे अरेंजमेंट करछु।
मो पुओ एचआई आ एठी ओलियाबड़ जंग इंस्टीट्यूट रे प्री स्कूल रे पढुची 2 वर्ष हेलानी आउ से एठी पढ़िबा भितर मु देखिल जे एठी गोटे नुआ साइन लैंग्वेज कोर्स आरंभ होची इंडियन साइन लैंग्वेज
3 मासिया कोर्स साइन लैंग्वेज शिखिबा परे मो झियो संगे मु भल भाव साइन रे कथबार्ता हो पार्ची।
बेसिकली यही संकेत मो भाषा संकेत जो प्रोग्रामटा अच्छी जोड़ा कि एसएसपीडी डिपार्टमेंट आउ आमर ओडिशा राइजिंग फाउंडेशन आउ ऑलिवर जंग नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट जो मिलित उद्यम जोड़ा चली प्रोग्रामटा सेतेरे बहुत भल आपन को ट्रेनिंग दिया जाउची हमर एठी इंस्टीट्यूट रे दिया जाउची एटा गोटे फाउंडेशन क्रिएट करूची जोड़ा कि आपन डेफ पिला मानक सहित कथावार्ता हो पारे आपन जोठी भी जिबे पिला माने एबे सब जगह रे एम्प्लॉयमेंट होउचंदी तांको सहित आपन कथा हो पारे सेमानको लागबोनी कि आमे माने भिन्नक्षम बेली सेमानको सबले लागबो कि नै आमे माने जेम नॉर्मल लोक जेमती आमे मध्य सेही परि कारण आमे भी कम्युनिकेशन तांको सहित करि परछु तेणु यहाँ हूँ बहुत भल उद्यम आ मु बेसिकली ओडिशा सरकार को धन्यवाद देवी एसएसपी डिपार्टमेंट सब भिन्नक्षम पिलामानक बहुत किछि करिछि।
Join us as we turn silence into solidarity and build an Odisha where every voice matters and every hand speaks.
We love sign language.